Hi, this explained video is going to cover GUI creation and event handling. So we're just going to go through this code. Um, it's very simple. It's actually in the Java book. Um, so we're going to add click me to the GUI and assign it a listener. Click me in this case is going to be I believe a J button. Um, yep. So here we are. Here are all the things we need to import: the java.awt and the java.swing. I assume these are already added, but just out of paranoia, I added them too. But I think these two top ones should handle everything. Um, we're going to be extending JFrame and implements action listener. So we're going to create a new J button called Click Me, and the text inside of it is going to be click. And then we have the the method for my GUI. Actually, no, this is still a description of yeah. Anyway, so we're going to get the content page, add Click Me, and we're going to give it an action listener to this, which would be, in this case, my GUI2 down here. And then we're going to set the size to 200 by 200, background color white, and it will be visible. And for a GUI to work, obviously it needs to be interactive. So we put this listener on this button. That means that if an action is performed on this button, something will happen because we're listening to it and we have this method for action performed. And if something happens, which in this case, if action event E, the get source is equal to click me, if this is all true, it's going to set the background color of the button to red and add an asterisk to the click me text, in which case this one is click. So if everything goes well, this should run just fine. I'm having trouble in the homework, but mainly it's the if statements. Actually, getting the button to change colors isn't a problem. It's the logic of getting it to switch back and forth, which is hanging me up. So let's run this, see what it looks like. So see, we have this white button, and it says click in the center of it. If we hit it, it turns red and adds an asterisk, and it just keeps on adding asterisks after that. So yeah, that's how you create a GUI and do event handling in it. This is very basic, but I hope you guys already know this stuff. Otherwise, if you're relying on me to help you out, you're in really bad shape because I'm in terrible shape. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.